our vlog. Today, we are going to explore two interesting scientific concepts, viscosity and evaporation. I'm Raymalin Malvero.
And I'm Korean Jane M. Lamontad.
I'm Erica L. Libertino.
I'm Michaela Nicole G. Dumaghan.
And I'm Janvin Brisilio.
And I'm Christine Jordan Moreno. And I'm Jessica Jumabera.
I'm Terence Falgunay.
Through some simple experiment, we'll see how different liquids behave, what it tells about their molecular property. Let's get started. These are the items we are going to use. A water, dishwashing liquid, nail polish remover, shallow bowls, a mug, teaspoon, and a permanent marker. First, let's talk about viscosity. Viscosity is a liquid resistance to flow. The thicker a liquid is, the more viscous it is. To see this action, we'll pour water in dishwashing liquid into a mug and observe how they flow. First, pour water into a mug and observe how it flows. Next, pour dishwashing liquid into another mug and observe its flows.
Notice how the water flows quickly and smoothly, while the dishwashing liquid moves more slowly and stick together.
This is different due to the strength of the intermolecular forces between the molecules of each liquid. The stronger of the IMFA, the higher of the viscosity.
What did you observe? Water flows faster than dishwashing liquid.
What can you conclude about the link between the string of the IMFA and the viscosity of the substance? The stronger the intermolecular forces of attraction, the higher the viscosity of the substance. This is why dishwashing liquid, which has stronger IMFA, flows more slowly than water.
Now, let's move on to the evaporation. Evaporation happens when a liquid turns into gas. Some liquids evaporate faster than others, and this is also due to intermolecular forces. For this experiment, we will compare the evaporation rates of water and nail polish remover, which contain acetone. Since acetone has a weaker IMFA than water, it should evaporate much faster. Let's observe the result. As expected, the nail polish remover evaporates much faster than water. This is because substance with weaker IMFA requires less energy to turn into a gas.
Which of the two substances took the longest time evaporate? Water takes longer to evaporate.
What can you conclude about the link between the strength of the IMFA and the evaporation? The stronger the IMFA, the slower the evaporation. Water has stronger intermolecular forces than nail polish remover, so it evaporates more slowly.
Through this experiment, we've seen how intermolecular forces affect both viscosity and evaporation.
The stronger the IMFA, the thicker the liquid and the slower it evaporates.
That's it for today's vlog. Thanks for joining us in this fun science experiment.